The next representative of cubic crystal system is cesium chloride. Cesium chloride. It means ratio 1:1 and the general formula is AB, 1:1. As usual, we are going to find the host and the guest. In this case, a normal feature is seen, that is, anion is as usual bigger in size and acting as a host. But in this case, it is adopting ScC branding, not the FCC. There are 5 representatives. Out of 5, 4 are adopting FCC. Only this is the case in which chloride ion is adopting ScC. Can you find the number of hosts in a cube in case of ScC? Yes, the number of chloride ions is equal to 8 into 1/8 is equal to 1. Only at the corners. So, what should be the number of cesium ion? It should be 1. Reason? It's a case of AB crystal. So, cesium ion which are acting as guest, accommodating cubic void. What do you mean by cubic void? Cubic void is a space left between 8 atoms. Which 8 atoms? Which are present at the corners. So, cesium ion is occupying cubic void. How many cubic voids can be present in a cube? Only 1. So, cesium ion is occupying that cubic void. So, what will be the number of cesium ion? It will be 1. 1 inside 1 cube. We can understand this structure with the help of a diagram. And we will find a very important relation between radius of cation and radius of anion. See, these are chloride ions. They are present only at the corners like this. And these 8 chloride ions are closely packed and a space is left in the center of the body that is called as cubic void. It is accommodated by guest. What is a guest? Cesium ion, like this. Very simple structure in cesium chloride. What should be the coordination number ratio? It means number of chloride ions in touch with cesium ion and number of cesium ion in touch with chloride ion. So, as the name of the void is cubic, for cubic, what is the radius ratio range? It is 0.7322 to 1.0. So, cesium ion accommodating cubic void, so the coordination number, it should be 8. So, you can find the coordination number with the help of the void that was occupied by the guest. In case of TVs, it should be 4. In case of octahedral voids, it should be 6. In case of cubic void, it should be 8. So, the coordination number ratio is 8:8. One more interesting relation. You can make a body diagonal like this. You can draw a body diagonal like this. In this body diagonal, 2 chloride ions and 1 cesium ion is present. It means 2 radii of anion and 2 radii of cation. What is the value of this body diagonal? Pythagoras theorem, we can find the body diagonal as a root 3. You can use a formula for numericals. A root 3 is equal to 2r positive plus 2r negative. So, this was the structure of cesium chloride.